Huh. We got a lot of pop-up storms in this storm system, so here's one popping up down yonder. So here's a beauty we sold to my neighbor's brother about 3-4 years ago. It was kind of wiped out anyway, and this is probably, we weren't as good as we would like to be now, probably, but which ain't, not bragging or nothing, but I think we could have done better with this. But anyway, he said it wouldn't start, so turned out that he was trying to start it with the PTO on, so you got that. Otherwise, as you can see, that sounds cute. But anyway, it'll start now, but so we were gonna look it over because my neighbor, he had to haul it quite a ways, so figured we'd look it over and do a tune-up or whatever it needed. But right as of this point, this thing ain't leaving the yard. Tell me, what do you think? Hope that shows in the video, because you can see a lot of and death came swiftly. She jumped, frames cracked, bad. Probably one of the worst ones I've seen. You should see it when you put the deck on. Put the deck on, the thing jumped and looked like it's doing a hula hoop. Yeah. I didn't have a chance to look on this side. There you can see. I don't think it's going, but it looks like it stopped there on that spot. Starting there. She jumped. Gonna be a parts pig. But yeah, I'm kind of sloppy. I'm glad mine looks a little better now. Back then I sucked. See, the deck won't even, the pin's like pulled right out, barely hanging in there. So we'll take I already took the seat off and put it, figure we're kind of making that one for the guy now. Not the greatest in the world, but should do him a lot better than that one. Yeah, parked the fleet a little bit. Let me stop the video and start another one so I don't go miles long, but oh, you'd like that one. Oh, this Craftsman's just gonna be a parts pig. I mean, yeah, we could swap a frame onto it. We've thrown out plenty of frames lately, but yeah. I don't think Dad at his age looks forward to that much work. So, alright, later.